NASA and NOAA satellites provided information and imagery to forecasters that showed Hurricane Maria weakened to a tropical storm on September 28. NASA's Aqua satellite passed over Maria on September 27 at 1:59 p.m. EDT 17:59 UTC, when it was still a hurricane, and analyzed the storm in infrared light. Infrared light provides temperature data, and that's important when trying to understand how strong storms can be. The higher the cloud tops, the colder and the stronger they are. AIR's data showed coldest cloud top temperatures in thunderstorms mostly northeast of Maria's center. Those temperatures were as cold as -63 degrees Fahrenheit, -53 degrees Celsius. Storms with cloud top temperatures that cold have the capability to produce heavy rainfall. Maria continues to show little signs of strength, despite having weakened to a tropical storm. Infrared imagery on September 28 at 2:54 a.m. EDT 0654 from the VIRS instrument aboard NOAA's Suomi NPP satellite showed a burst of strong convection containing cloud top temperatures colder than -70 Celsius, -94 degrees Fahrenheit had developed just east of the center. At NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center in Greenbelt, Maryland, infrared and visible imagery from NOAA's GOES East satellite was put together in an animation covering 2 days to show Maria's progression along the U.S. East Coast and its weakening to a tropical storm. The animation used imagery from September 26 at 10:15 a.m. EDT 14:15 UTC to September 28 ending at 10:30 a.m. EDT 14:30 UTC. During the animation, around 5 a.m. 0900 on September 28, Maria had once again weakened into a tropical storm. By 11 a.m. EDT 1500 UTC on September 28, Maria was still over 350 miles offshore from the mid-Atlantic states. As a result, there were no coastal watches or warnings in effect. The center of Tropical Storm Maria was located near 36.8 degrees north latitude and 69.3 degrees west longitude. That's about 365 miles 585 kilometers northeast of Cape Hatteras, North Carolina. Maria was moving toward the east near 13 miles per hour 20 kph, and the storm is expected to accelerate eastward through tonight. Maximum sustained winds are near 70 miles per hour 110 km/h with higher gusts. Some slight weakening is possible during the next 48 hours. The estimated minimum central pressure is 982 millibars. The National Hurricane Center expects a turn back toward the northeast with an additional increase in forward speed on Friday, September 29, as the storm gets pushed by an approaching elongated area of low pressure. On the forecast track, Maria will continue to move away from the U.S. East Coast and pass well to the south of Atlantic Canada during the next couple of days. NHC cautions that swells generated by Maria are affecting much of the east coast of the United States, Atlantic Canada, and Bermuda. These swells are likely to cause life-threatening surf and rip current conditions. For updated forecasts on Maria, visit http://www.nhc.noaa.gov by Rob Goodrow. NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center disclaimer: AWS and Uric Alert are not responsible for the accuracy of news releases posted to Uric Alert by contributing institutions, or for the use of any information through the Uric Alert system.